In front of me is Motorola Edge 15 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, launch it. As you can see, after that you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!